He uses a
16 with
lion.
the
I've
50
never
cal.
seen anyone use a
but-
lion.
What's lion? I liked cars.
Today, we're going to learn about 7 signs you're dealing with a psychopath.
Oh
There's
my
a
God.
there's a
So many
duplicate
people
woman.
died.
There's a duplicate woman. Watch out.
Nice.
Oh,
There's a
alibi.
duplicate. Actually, no, there isn't a duplicate. Yeah, there is a duplicate
Well,
woman.
I thought you meant the attacking duplicate woman, and I was like, they're not attacking the. But it was.
John Doe.
That's why.
John Doe.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh no, he just got stabbed with a spork.
You know that I literally
Victor's
said
body
that
just,
because
like,
I saw that there
ascended.
was holes in
Yeah.
it, right? And they were there.
Victor's body
And
just
the first thing you
ascended.
do is like, instead of using your gadget that would kill everyone in there,
Victor, how
just
would you let them?
immediately-
Oh, I just got stabbed with a spork.
I am Fousey.
You're
I'm
Fousey.
Fouseytube.
You're fussy.
No, I'm
Who's Fouseytube?
Oh, he's some shit YouTuber.
Oh, right, me.
No, he's
Hello,
worse than you. Don't worry.
Bugs and
Thanks.
Leon.
He's got a big nose.
Bean.
Yeah.
Can I make a joke about polishing a turd? Because it's like, if the turd is your content and polishing it is using really good effects, then that's
Polishing
like
a
the
turd.
exact thing that you're doing.
Why did you like this?
Fuse, hit that.
I'm
hit that,
Fouseytube.
Hit that.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Fouseytube.
My middle scroll button kind of died. That's pretty not pog, you know.
Yo, Winkii.
That's not very
Knock, knock. It's me.
Beanstalk's alive!
No thanks. Yeah, I was Capcan and then my middle mouse button broke. So like, yeah.
Oh, so you just stopped being Capcan.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna try and bake a
Now I'm
I can't.
I've been
I
spotted.
can't shoot the Capcan trap. It won't
Oh,
let me shoot the Capcan.
assault the main door. Vigil's there and Doc's there. So
Yeah, Vigil's there. We don't want him to have any family.
He's virgin. Vigil's a virgin.
Leave him
Yeah, Vigil, we
left.
don't want him to have a family.
Yeah, we don't want him to have family. Kill all his team.
Hashtag keep Vigil a virgin confirmed. Guys, hashtag keep Vigil a virgin.
did it
Bro,
for
the
me.
virgin killed me.
Vigil.
Oh, the virgin killed you. Sad. When you're not a virgin yourself
Such a
and you're
weird thing.
killed. And
You're killed by a one-of-a-kind being.
Exposed. I'm being kind of exposed.
No, but I'm being kind of a virgin.
If you weren't a virgin, that'd be weird, which is why I'm weird.
No,
Oh
I'm
my
a virgin.
That's
I
also why I'm
I
weird.
use
Young-
virgin
young
media.
snow, bro, popping
I'm
off.
pretty much a virgin, guys.
Yeah.
And that's why you use the minigun. The
And that's why
light
you use
machine gun. And that's why Dennis used BTS colors in his Beat Saber stream.
I don't like this.
Is it just
Victor, just blow yourself up with your breach charge.
That's actually
No, not the
good.
cluster charge, the breach charge. Press G
G?
and place it on
Place
the
it on
wall.
the wall.
And then stand next to it and then press G again.
It has to,
See, okay, look, see that wooden wall?
Soft one, the soft one.
Hi. Hi. I just walked into him.
I want to see his POV.
Bro,
You look so defeated on the ground.
Sweaty.
Just needed to
You
die.
look so defeated when you fell. You look like you just gave up on like everything.
Hey, clueless. Clueless.
You fucking idiot.
No.
man.
When that desperate boy tries to find something in when the girl that he likes. Well, I mean, we both have parents,
Oh, we have parents, I guess.
and we're both alive.
And we
We're
both
both
exist.
sexy, so.
And we're both humans. And then the girl's just like, I am monkey.
No. And then the girl says, "Okay, but we don't shoot her parents." Bro, I beamed him in the noggin. I'm not
beat him
annoyed
in
by
the
it because
noggin,
I generally don't know how it's bad.
Hello, mute.
I beat him in the noggin, yeah?
Yeah, I beat him in the noggin.
Beat him in the
I
noggin.
beamed him in the noggin.
I beat him in the noggin, yeah, now.
But I beat him, I beat him in the noggin. I beat him in the noggin.
No, it's beamed him in the noggin, you big brain. Why are you trying to stab me?
Stabby.
Here comes Daddy.
Are you a
Only
moderator?
I'm blinded by your grease.
I'm blinded by your grease. I'm blinded by your grease. Holy shit, your hair's greasy as fuck.
Stop eating McDonald's fries.
Greasy
fries.
McDonald's
Right.
fries.
No, guys.
That's
Guys, let's go to McDonald's and let's get the Travis Scott burger.
That's not
Travis
a thing
Scott.
anymore.